Welcome to Aprimeo Diagnostics. We are very happy that you've chosen the Vivalytic system by BOSCH Healthcare Solutions. Here we'd like to give you a few tips about how to set up and commission your analyzer and how to use it properly. In addition, you can contact our customer support at any time. Let's start with how the device is delivered to you. Normally, the device will be delivered by a forwarding company. The device itself is packaged inside a box with a carrying handle. Please make sure to keep this box. You might have to use it again for service purposes or for transporting the device. If you want to use the analyzer for mobile deployment, we recommend using the separate transporting box, which you may purchase as an extra. In order to unpack the device, first release the tab and turn the carton over so that the picture of the analyzer is visible at the top. Lift the lid and take out the upper part of the styrofoam padding, which holds the user's guide. Before taking out the device itself, designate a proper place to position it. For device safety, please note the following additional pointers. Keep the analyzer away from vibrations, shocks, hot surfaces, and strong electric or electromagnetic fields. The device should not be positioned in an environment with high humidity, extreme temperatures, or increased dust formation. Also, please avoid direct exposure to sunlight. The operating temperature of the device should not exceed 30 degrees centigrade. We recommend using the analyzer in air-conditioned rooms at stable room temperature. Please also note that at altitudes of more than 1,400 meters above sea level, no valid results can be guaranteed. For further data about the framework conditions for proper storage and use, please refer to the user's guide that comes with the device. For lifting the device out of the box, attention! The weight is about 15 kilograms. Please use the recessed grips provided. That way, you avoid accidentally touching the scanner. This should be avoided whenever you move the analyzer. Please position the analyzer on an even surface and in such a way that you can clearly see the operating panel. Next, please take out the accessory box and check it for completeness. It should contain 2 power cables, 1 Ethernet cable, and 1 replacement air filter. Now you're only a few steps away from conducting your first test.